guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a few unboxings. I'm doing a little bit of catch up. Don't mind my makeup. I've been playing around with makeup all morning, like experimenting with everything I've been opening, so my makeup's a little crazy, but I'm here for it. And today I am unboxing the Merry and Bright mystery bag from IPSY. Look at how cute and perfectly Christmassy this bag is. Isn't it gorgeous? So in this, I believe are 5 full-size mystery products, and the bag is just so stinking cute. Of all the holiday mystery bags, this is probably my favorite, like packaging-wise. It's just so Christmas, so holiday. We are past Christmas already. We are about to get into the new year, but I'm gonna unbox anyways. So first thing in this bag is, oh, it has this like super cute satin pink liner as well. So let's see what's in it. The first thing is the Rem Beauty Essential Drip in Strawberry Soda. I have one product from Rem Beauty. I believe this is Ariana Grande's brand, and it's like an overall shadow color. Ooh, look at how gorgeous. I want to try this on. Wipe off this lip. I'm just gonna go in no liner and see how this looks. It smells like vanilla. Cute. This formula is really thick and pretty pigmented for a clear gloss. And it smells so good. It's like a cream soda type vanilla smell. Wow, I'm actually really impressed with this. I know a lot of people don't love Rem Beauty, or I haven't really heard amazing reviews about it, but the 2 products that I have, I actually really like. And they make for very like simple, easy makeup. So love this. Thank you, Ariana Grande, love you. Okay, next is the Ultra Repair Rescue Barrier Balm, skin protectant with 1% dimethicone. Interesting, this is from First Aid Beauty. Now what is different about this? Okay, so this is for like cracked, dry skin. I might use this on my feet at night. It is winter, we're in like sock season, so this would be great to like do a little mask on your feet at night. I'm gonna put this by my bedside table. Next is the Real Her Elegant Charm Lip Liner. Okay. I'm gonna put this on with what I have on. Elegant Charm, I believe, is the color. And oh, they always break. Why? I don't know. I don't know where that went. It's gonna like mush into my carpet. But these pencils always break. It's a really pretty color. It's like a very natural, peachy, natural lip color. I like this. Next is, I've received so many of these and I love this product. This is the Bisha colorway in Bahamas. It's a cream and powder blush. I've received so many of them. I only need one of each color. I have Dubai and Bahamas already, and I've given this as a gift to so many people, and I love it. So this is awesome. I'm gonna put this in my gift box, which has been depleted since the holiday season. So love that. And last in this gorgeous little bag is the Violet Voss Disco Drip. This, just from the packaging alone, looks crazy. I'm assuming it's like crazy purples. Violet is my daughter's name. So, ooh, interesting. Very colorful. Let me know if you guys want me to do a tutorial, like a very colorful, vibrant, purple eyeshadow look with this palette. Leave me like a purple heart emoji. I would love to do that. Getting back into like old school YouTube tutorials. I do personally like wearing colored eyeshadow from time to time. I think it's like a really nice statement, especially if you could pull it off. So that is what was in the Merry and Bright mystery bag from IPSY. If you want to see a Violet Voss makeup tutorial, leave me like a purple heart emoji. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope everyone has a wonderful and prosperous new year, and I will see you guys soon.